My name is Shilpa. Today I'm going to teach you one interesting topic in maths for grade 5. You want to know what it is? It is geometry. So without late, let's start with the topic.
So I told you that I'm going to take you through an interesting topic in maths. You know what it is? It is called geometry, in which geo means earth, metron means measurement. Let's begin with the basic element parts of geometry like point, line, angle, circle and plane shapes. We will start with points, the simple in geometry. You can see a pink color dots on the screen, right? These tiny dots found everywhere. The dots play a really important job in geometry. We can describe a specific location in space like end of the line. For example, corner of the book and corner of the table as shown in the picture. In the previous slide, we have learned about points. In this slide, we are going to learn about types of lines. In that, the first is line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is of fixed length. It has two end points. Point P and Q are the end points of a line segment PQ. In the picture, we can see there is a purple line which has been end with 2 points and they named as P and Q. The second type of line is ray. A ray is also a part of a line. It has one fixed end and other end extends endlessly. The rays of the sun can be taken as an example of a ray. It starts at one point and extends endlessly in other direction. The third type of line is line. We can see a red color line with two arrow marks. Now let's see what is a line. A line is a collection of points. It extends endlessly in both directions along a straight path. It has no beginning and no end points. So this line can be extended endlessly towards your right or towards your left. The types of lines are vertical line, horizontal line and slanting line. We require lines to draw angles. Before we draw angles, let's see what's a plane. No, not that in which we fly to different places. But planes in geometry are a flat surface that goes on endlessly in all directions. It has a length, width, but no height. It is named as plane D or plane ABC. Here in the picture we can see it. Points A, B, C line on plane D and A, B, C are not a single line. Point O lies outside the plane D. The flat surface of a table or a face of a blackboard is a portion of a plane. When this surface is extended in all directions, we get a plane. Before going to angles, we'll see what are these lines. Now here in this slide, we can see a parallel lines. Now what are parallel lines? Two lines that do not meet each other and are at the same distance from each other are called parallel lines. They never intersect even if they are extended from both sides. We can see in the picture here KL and OP. There are two lines and they have named them as KL and OP. We symbolically say that line KL is parallel to OP. In this slide, we'll learn about intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Two straight lines that meet or cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines. In the picture, here we can see a green line OX and a red line BY. They both are intersecting at one point and they named it as O. That point is called as intersecting point. Now, when two lines intersect at one point, once a space is created between these two lines. That space we call it as angle. In this slide, we are going to learn about perpendicular lines. Two intersecting lines are said to be perpendicular to each other if they meet or cross each other at a right angle. We can see this in the picture here. XY red line is intersecting with AB green line at one point, and that point is named as P, and the angle created here is a right angle. Here we can see the symbol for perpendicular in the slide. Line LM is perpendicular to GH, symbolically written. So how to write symbolically and the symbol used for perpendicular we can see on the slide.